In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create sequences in HubSpot. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to set up a sequence, customize its steps, and get it ready for your team to use. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, look over to the main navigation. On the left side, find the Sales section. Hover your mouse over Sales and a menu will appear. From that menu, click on Sequences. This is where you'll manage all of your outreach sequences. Inside the sequences area, look for the button that says create a sequence and click it. HubSpot will now give you a few different ways to get started. You can build a dynamic sequence, you can start completely from scratch, or you can choose from a variety of pre-made templates. These templates cover common situations like recent conversion, event follow-up, product, or demo request, and more. Take a moment to scroll down and browse the full list of pre-made sequences, especially if you're new to the tool. For this example, we'll choose a pre-made sequence and select recent conversion. Once you click that template, you'll see a preview on the right side of your screen. This preview shows you the steps included in the sequence, how many days it will take to complete, what percentage of those steps are automated, and how many unenrollment criteria are set. This overview is helpful to quickly check if the sequence structure matches your goals before you commit to it. If you're happy with what you see, go ahead and click Create Sequence in the top right corner. Now you'll be taken into the main editor where you can see all of the steps laid out. Each step has a small pencil icon next to it. Click that pencil if you want to edit the content for that step. A pop-up window will appear, allowing you to change the email copy, tasks, or other details. Take your time here to adjust the messaging so it fits your audience and your tone. If you want to add extra steps, look for the plus icon that appears between existing steps. Click the plus and you'll be able to choose what type of step to add: an automated email, a manual email task, a call task, a general task, or an integration-related task. This is how you can tailor the sequence to match your specific process. You can also adjust the delay between steps. Simply click on the delay text and a pop-up will open where you can change how long HubSpot waits before moving to the next step. When you're done, click Save. Once all of your edits are complete, click Save in the top right corner of the editor. A panel will slide open on the right side of your screen. Here, you can give your sequence a clear, descriptive name and choose who in your account is allowed to see or use this sequence. When you've set those options, scroll down and click Save at the bottom of the panel, and that's it. You've successfully created a sequence in HubSpot, customized the steps, and saved it so it's ready for your team to enroll contacts.